Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Today we're opening up the August Sudsy Club. So if you don't know what Sudsy Club is, it's a bi-monthly soap subscription. So you get 3 luxury handmade soaps and 1 bath or spa item every other month. The price is $25. I just checked and a promo code they gave to me a while ago is still active. It's Kitty40. I'll leave that on the screen and down below. And this saves you 40% off your first box, which saves you $10. So you can get your first box for $15. I think that is great. So all this information will be down below. I can't wait to see what is inside. This is kind of like a sneak peek for the upcoming box in August. I mean, we're only about like a week and a half away, right? That's crazy. But before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribed. That would mean so much to me. Yeah, let's get this box open. Just a whiff of good fragrance. So when I open it up, that is what it looks like. There's a little card that talks about all the items inside. You can see, good presentation. You see the 3 soaps and then the bath item. And how about we start with the soaps? I always love the packaging they come in. So they all look like this. And this is honey oatmeal. And their soaps are all natural, only the finest ingredients. They're made with the highest quality plant-based oils and butters, along with therapeutic grade essential oils and botanicals. The natural oils and butters leave your skin feeling soft and moisturized, not drying like commercial soaps. Their soap contains no chemicals, no artificial fragrance, and no artificial coloring. Let's read about this. It seriously smells like honey oatmeal. Honey oatmeal is a classic soap creation. It is so wonderful for your skin. Finely ground organic colloidal oats soothe your skin and the honey helps seal in moisture. This is a gentle moisturizing soap that has a great lather and is perfect for your body and face. It also has a moderate exfoliant texture which helps smooth the skin. There are no essential oils used in this bar for scent. It has a light, wholesome scent. You will pick up the smell of oatmeal and a bit of honey. Very accurate. Next we have the Blue Indigo Silk Bar. This smells so good. Indigo plants are generally regarded as an analgesic with anti-inflammatory properties, helping to soothe and calm irritation. We have swirled this bar with a generous amount of indigo. The oils and butters we have used to make this amazing bar are coconut oil, shea butter, and olive oil. That's it. You cannot get more pure than that. The essential oils used to scent this bar are lavender and lemon. Love that combination of oils. It smells amazing. And the last soap is called Summer Days. I have a feeling I will like this one. Oh, yes. I'm trying to guess what's in it before looking. I feel like there's a little bit of peppermint in it or something like that, but other fragrances as well. Let's read. Summer days remind me of the new fresh scents that come with long-awaited summer mornings. It has a sweet, earthy floral scent that will make you look forward to bathing. I have infused calendula petals throughout the bar. You might recognize calendula to actually be marigold petals. It is scented with rosemary, spearmint, and cassia essential oil. So the spearmint is what I was smelling. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. So before we move on to the last item in the box, what is my favorite soap based on fragrance? I have to go with Summer Days. It's such a good mixture. Like, yeah, can't wait to use this. Their soaps, I've been getting this box for a while, so I know their soaps really well. And what they say about it not being drying is so accurate. They always smell great. They last a while too. And yeah, they leave my skin without any residue, feeling nice, clean, and soft. Love them, smelling good. So last but not least is, it looks like a maybe essential oil roll-on. The peppermint, yeah. So this is their peppermint essential oil roller. It is made with sweet almond oil, 10 milliliters. And our peppermint roller contains peppermint essential oil and sweet almond oil to provide a multitude of benefits. Its minty, fresh scent can be used topically throughout the day to lift your mood and promote a sense of focus. Peppermint essential oil is amazing for tension when applied to the temples or the back of the neck. It works well for bug bites or even putting it on burns to draw out the heat to prevent blistering. Roll it on your abdomen for stomach discomfort. Peppermint is one of my favorite essential oils. Wow, I never thought to use peppermint oil for bug bites. That's very convenient for a summer box too. Nice. So yeah, just has a roll on there. So that was everything. I think this is a great subscription. If you guys like luxury handmade soaps, I think you'll really enjoy this. If you are interested in subscribing, definitely make sure to use that code. That's just for you guys. It's not affiliated, meaning I don't make money or anything. But that is a great savings. 40%, $10. So thank you, Sudsy Club, for sending this to me and providing us with such a great code. And thank you all for watching. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much. And special thanks to our channel members. You guys are the best and I really appreciate all of your support. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.